Hey, Jay County, here today with Rusty Inman from John Jay Center for Learning. Rusty,
How are you, Travis?
great, you?
Good.
We are in the lower level of John Jay. We're here in the Industrial Maintenance Training Lab, and I'm just going to talk with Rusty a little bit. Rusty, can you tell me like a little bit about how this got started and how long it's been going on and things
Sure.
like that?
Yeah, so I started my job as director here at John Jay in 2013, so 10 years ago. When I was hired, board of directors said, there's 15,000 square feet in the basement of this building that are not being used. Find something to do with it. I made 8 appointments, and I went to the first 4 and I heard the exact same thing. Said, we don't know where our next skilled workforce is coming from. And I said, define skilled workforce to me. And they said industrial maintenance.
Mm-hmm.
So I went to that time Assistant Superintendent Gully at the J schools and said, we need to work on this together. We took manufacturers to Ivy Tech, Indiana, our Vincennes University, and then over across the state line in Ohio, we had a manufacturer that was using Wright State University in this thing called Skills Track. Took manufacturers there to these places. They decided, that's the important thing. This is all manufacturing led. The groups that we took said, we want that skills track because it's work at your own pace, labs at your own pace. It's not your typical 8 or 16 week college course. So, now what we're seeing is people are finding, or manufacturers are finding people in the shipping department, in the quality department, in sanitation that might have some skills, and they're upskilling, and what they're doing is they're creating their own talent pool. So our talent pool is raised. So the folks that were, say, in sanitation and now they're in maintenance, there's a significant pay raise in that. Manufacturers did follow through. We were worried, if you build it, will they come? I don't know. Well, we built it, and boy, they've come in a big way. 350 students, 500 certifications have come out of here. So it's been very successful. They invest in their people stay. They don't quit anymore, or they quit a lot less because they see that, hey, there's a place for me here. I can start in sanitation, now I'm in maintenance, and maybe if I had a little bit of Ivy Tech classes, maybe I can be a manager at some point, and so on. I mean, there's a way to move up the ladder.
Yep, you bet.
Yeah.
So, okay, a couple questions.
Sure.
So you talk about the investment here. So like what types of equipment or other stuff is down here for students to learn on?
Yeah, so we have, it's great. This whole thing is in 5 bite-sized sections. So there's a hand skills, mechanical skills level, which is the green level. It's gears, chains, pulleys, chain drives, rigging, hand tools, power tools, a lot of safety in that. Then in the yellow level, there's industrial electrical, motor controls, fluid power, which is hydraulics and pneumatics in every plant. White level, which is industrial maintenance, welding and maintenance, machining. We have a red level, which is industrial controls and programmable logic. So little computers that run either a machine or a production line. They do a lot of work. And then blue level, which is automation and robotics. So, yeah.
Well, and I can say this, and you know it too, there are folks across the state who recognize the importance of this and how great it works.
It's so funny that you say that because we get calls from all over the state, even neighboring counties, that say, hey, can we come and look at this? We need something like this at our place. And then it just never happens because it's cost prohibitive, or there's just some different things. But there are John Jay type places popping up all over the state. But not only the state, we've had visitors from Wisconsin, from Texas, from Arkansas. We've had people from all over the country that have come here because they said, we've heard about this.
So, okay, we've talked a lot about industrial maintenance training.
Yeah.
Let's talk a little bit about some of the other things that John Jay does. So tell us, some of the other universities, colleges that you partner with, maybe, and a few of the class offerings that you
Yep.
have coming up, for everybody to get a flavor.
Yeah, so we have Ivy Tech Community College. We partner with them. Because of COVID, there's been a lot of online classes through them. Starting in the fall, we're going to bring in-person classes back here. So that's exciting. There's going to be 7 classes here in the fall, ranging from English and communications to some information technology, IT, computer work. Starting tomorrow night, conversational English class, so for native Spanish speakers to learn more English. So we're going to be bringing those classes here. We're going to have some conversational Spanish classes for native English speakers. Those classes will be starting probably closer to the summer, so but those are coming. We have, like I said, ServSafe class that's going on today upstairs. We have robotics camps for kids.
Yep.
We have senior programming, so for 55 and older, we have a learning activity once a month with lunch. So we'll have that. We have, I don't know, so much more. I mean, it's just so much more. Go to our website and check it out, johnjcenter.com.
So, Rusty, anything else that we should know before we close out today?
No, it's just come and see us up here. I mean, it's important, the work that we're doing, and you know, we're doing good things, and we're trying to make our community better.
Well, we appreciate it.
Absolutely. Thanks, Travis.
Thank you.
See ya.
Yep.